It was a good day of consolidation after a good gap up until in the afternoon when Bank Nifty suddenly decided to give a good up move powered by ICICI and HDFC Bank. Hi, this is Utkarsh Bhargav and welcome to another amazing episode of Daily Market Analysis here at Roaring Bulls. Now, if you are new to this channel, definitely consider subscribing the channel and definitely hit the bell notification icon ताकि आप कोई भी फ्यूचर अपडेट मिस ना करें जो भी आपके लिए इस चैनल पे आएगा। हम डेली एनालिसिस वीडियोस भी आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं और साथ में मास्टर क्लास फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट भी आपके लिए आती रहती हैं। आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अटेंड करना है इन वीडियोस को और इन मास्टर क्लास को so that you can actually have the right kind of knowledge and develop the right kind of skills to make money from the stock market. Whether you're a positional trader or a swing trader or a value investor or an intraday trader, this channel can actually create a huge difference in the way you trade and invest your money into the stock market. So our objective at Roaring Bulls is to make sure that we develop and build a great community of empowered traders around here. So I hope that you're already a part of this community. Don't forget to share this channel with your fellow members. So if we talk about the day, then definitely ICICI Bank Q2 results are about to be announced soon, and we can see that the stock rallied 2.8% in the day, and HDFC joined the ICICI rally very soon. And interestingly, there was a good move in the tire stocks as well. If you look at Apollo Tires, JK Tires, C8, MRF, every tire stock, almost all the major tire stocks had a good move in the day today. And from past few days, we have been seeing that from past few trading sessions, we have been seeing that FIs have been on a continuous selling streak, and DIIs were always coming in to support the market in around at 15,650, 15,670 levels. But today, both FIs and DIIs have turned out to be the net buyers in the market, and there was a good up move, good slow and continuous up move in the market today, and 15,800 was tested for a long time for a good period of consolidation in the day, but 15,800 is now broken. Now the question is, will this sustain? The question is, will 15,800 sustain? And the answer somehow lies in the Bank Nifty index, because the Bank Nifty index has a very crucial resistance of 35,800 right above. So if Bank Nifty is able to break 35,800 successfully, we might see that Nifty can actually sustain the 15,800 levels and might actually continue its journey towards the 16,000 levels. That's what I can see. And now at the TMT Club, at the Millionaire Trader Club, if you don't know what the Millionaire Trader Club is, the link is in the description below. Definitely go check it out and you are going to love. It's a whole 3 months course plus a free Discord community where you will be able to interact and chat with the mentors and the fellow members. We all trade together, we all share the ideas together, we all build and trade the option strategies together. And about the option strategies, we have already got 3.5% return on our investment for this week, and that is going very good in Nifty. Now, other than that, we had good profits in Mahindra Holidays today, so that is something I wanted to tell you about. And now stay tuned till the very end of the video, because we are going to discuss and analyze everything that happened in the markets today and what can be the possible expected trading levels for tomorrow's trading session in Nifty and the Bank Nifty index. So this is Utkarsh Bhargav. Continue watching till the very end. You are watching Roaring Bulls, the stock market show. Okay, so looking at the OI data is actually pretty crucial. Now, looking at the OI data, we can easily see that right now, see, I'll explain to you. Right now, Nifty has actually crossed the 15,800 mark, and that is something good to see. And looking at the OI data, I can clearly see that now Nifty has good resistance, right? Nifty has good resistance at a fresh built up of resistance around at 15,900 levels, right? So Nifty has a good resistance at 15,900 levels, and there's a good support now built up at 15,700 strike price. Can you see that there are a lot of put writers available at 15,700 strike price? So 52.3 lakh open contracts are there, and 15,700 or 15,750 can actually act as a good support from here onwards, but definitely 15,900 is a good resistance. So what I can sense from from all of this is a very clear thing. Let me show you the possible trading range in Nifty for tomorrow. So the possible trading range as per me in Nifty for tomorrow can be anywhere between 15,750 and 15,900. So this can be the possible trading range that we can see for tomorrow. So there's a lot of call OI build up on the upper side levels, 15,900, 16,000, and there's a good OI build up as a support at 15,700, 750 levels. So keep a watch on these levels. Let me take you back to the charts and we'll discuss everything that we can analyze from the chart. So this is the chart for Nifty 50 index for the day. So one thing is very clearly visible. Let me first switch it to 1 hour time frame. So when we look at Nifty in 1 hour time frame, there is one very clear thing available to see, right? I have been talking about the important support zone of this 15,600, 15,650. So can you see that this support has been acting really well in the past, and again this support was tested day before yesterday and yesterday, but today the whole complete gap up did sustain. So can you see the gap up did sustain? After this good gap up, the index was able to sustain this gap up and slowly actually moved up throughout the day. So let me take you back to the charts, and switching on to 5-minute time frame, we can clearly see once the yesterday's high was broken. So this is the yesterday's high, this is the yesterday's high, and once today's high was broken, Nifty actually managed to give us a good close above 15,800. But the important point is that this is a good resistance. What is a good resistance? This is a good resistance. So mark down this resistance. This is an important and crucial level, and now I believe Nifty has a very strong support standing at this level. So you can mark this level as your fresh support and this level as your fresh resistance. Now there's a mild support available in between. So we can say that this is a mild support. Now 15,790 or 15,000 we can say 780 to 790 zone is going to be a mild support, but this is going to be the major resistance 15,817, and this is going to be the good support 15,773. Okay, so this is how you have to make sure that you build a long position in Nifty only if this resistance of 15,820 is broken. This has to be broken. Only after that you can plan on going bullish, and even if you plan on going bullish in Nifty, don't ignore this resistance. Okay, so this is the resistance we have got from the past. So let me again switch back to 1 hour time frame and show you the resistance. Yes, so can you see that? Can you see that this is definitely a resistance over here? I have to extend the resistance a little further back so you'll be able to understand. Yes, okay. So this has been a good resistance in the past, and this can actually act as a good resistance in future as well. So these are the levels for Nifty 50 index. Two important levels that we have discussed. Again, let me remind you the two important levels that we have discussed. So these are the two important levels for the Nifty 50 index. कल के दिन आप जो ट्रेडिंग करेंगे उसमें यही दो लेवल इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहला लेवल इंपॉर्टेंट है रेजिस्टेंस का, जिसको अभी सक्सेसफुली ब्रेक नहीं किया निफ्टी ने, दैट इज 15,815 to 15,820, एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस एट 15,850 to 855. So make sure that you follow these levels strictly. Now what I feel, what is the possible scenario is that 15,850 के नीचे expiry हो सकती है. That's what I can feel, but 15,900 के नीचे definitely we might see the expiry. It's not impossible. 16,000 definitely has a huge OI build up. Now we'll have to wait and watch for the price action tomorrow morning. But one thing is for sure that 15,730 is a good support and 15,820 is a good resistance as of now. Okay, then we have to wait and watch till tomorrow morning. So jumping back to the OI analysis में वापस चलते हैं और बैंक निफ्टी को एनालाइज करते हैं एक बार. बैंक निफ्टी के अंदर मैंने आपसे जो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स बोले थे 35,800 is a good resistance. So let me take you to 35,800 level. First of all, we can see that Bank Nifty is definitely at 35,673 around. So you have to keep a watch at this level, and sorry, not at this level, at the resistance level. So let me show you 35,800. Yeah, so this is the 35,800 level. Can you see that? This is the 35,800 level with a good OI available at 35,800. But if you look at the put side, no, there's not much OI build up at 35,800. So 35,800 is going to be a good resistance, and the next good resistance is definitely going to be 36,000 level. Okay, but the interesting thing to see here is that on 35,500 level, there's definitely a lot of put side OI buildup. Can you see that 35,500 level? There's definitely a lot of put side OI buildup, and that's interesting to see, right? So for tomorrow, the trading range for Bank Nifty Index can definitely be 35,500 to 36,000. This can be the trading range. So we can actually see that. Now let's get back to the chart analysis for Bank Nifty Index. So this is the Bank Nifty Index. Now, such an interesting thing to see. Can you see how beautifully the levels actually work? So this was an important resistance level. Let me extend it to this zone, and this was also another important resistance level. Now the interesting thing to see here is that in the morning what happened? Let me again mark it up for you. What happened in morning? So in morning, I can see that in the morning time there was a good gap up opening, and after the gap up actually sustained, and I told you that this particular level is a good resistance, right? 35,450 एक अच्छा resistance है. ये resistance बड़े ही slow motion के साथ breakout हुआ, and once this resistance was broken, it was a continuous up move in the Bank Nifty Index from 35,450 to 35,750. So it was a good 300 point up move in the Bank Nifty Index, and a lot of call option buyers could have easily captured the move. Now the important point to note here is very clear. The important point is that let me actually extend the whole resistance area for you. So yes, this is the resistance area. This is going to be the resistance area for tomorrow, and this is going to be the two major support area. आपके मन में सवाल आ सकता है कि ये निकल के कैसे आया resistance? So let me switch back to 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, can you actually see that 35,800 has been acting as a really good resistance? Can you see in this particular zone 35,800 has been acting as a very good resistance? So that might actually come up here really soon, and on the breakout of this resistance we can see up move, a good up move for the next resistance zone, right? This is our next resistance zone that we have. But as of now, let's talk about this zone. So 35,800 एक अच्छा रेजिस्टेंस रहेगा, एंड डेफिनेटली क्योंकि ये पर्टिकुलर लेवल जो ब्रेकआउट हमको मिला है, देखिए यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये भी एक रेजिस्टेंस था, राइट? ये भी एक रेजिस्टेंस था, बट यहाँ पे हमको एक अच्छा ब्रेकआउट आज मिला है और एक अच्छा खासा up move आया है. So I can easily say that this is going to be a fresh support, and this is going to be an even stronger support. So switching back to the 5-minute time frame, let me show you the possible trading levels for tomorrow's trading session. So this can be the possible trading levels. Okay, now you have to mark this level. This is 35,500, 35,570 zone. यहाँ पे एक अच्छा support है और 35,800 पे एक अच्छा resistance है. Now there is a possibility that before the expiry, index, Bank Nifty Index can actually consolidate in this zone. There is a possibility that Bank Nifty Index can consolidate in this zone. अगर ये breakout होता है successfully with slow build up, एकदम गैप अप के साथ ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा ना, तो हो सकता है सेलिंग प्रेशर आ जाए. बट अगर ये स्लोली ऊपर जाता है और स्लो बिल्डअप के साथ ब्रेकआउट होता है, देन देयर इज अ चांस दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली कैप्चर द अप मूव फ्रॉम 35,800 टू 36,100 लेवल. ये पूरा मूव आप कैप्चर कर सकते हैं. ओके, but stay cautious because tomorrow the time decay factor will be more evident as well. Okay, now these are two important support levels. 35,425 is first support, 35,570 is the second support, and then you have resistance as 35,800. There is a crucial resistance, इसको ignore नहीं करना है, and then a big resistance at 36,104 level. Okay, so these are all the levels for the Bank Nifty Index. Okay, let me before closing it up quickly show you sorry, Mahindra Holidays. So Mahindra Holidays definitely came into a buying level. Can you see our buying level was just here? It was just above the previous day high. So this green line is basically the previous day high. Let me show you this green line. Can you see it here? Let me show you the green line. So this one second, yeah, this green line over here is the previous day high. This was the previous day high, and once the previous day high was broken, our entry was there, and there was a good up move, and we captured the whole target. Our target was actually pretty small. It was just 1.34%. But what happened in Mahindra Holidays? Can you see that? It was a huge up move. We could have captured the whole thing, but yeah, we booked our targets over here and we had a good profits in Mahindra Holidays. Now, Other than Mahindra Holidays, there was ICICI Bank. So let me show you ICICI Bank. During the day, I said that keep a watch on ICICI Bank. We were discussing at the Millionaire Trader Club, and can you see that? So we had our buying level placed right at this particular zone. Let me actually again open up the institutional zones. So yeah, we had a buying level placed at this particular zone, and let me show you actually why we had a buying level placed at this level. So let me switch it to 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and definitely we had a resistance at this area, right? So let me actually draw a line for you, so आपको easy हो जाएगा. Horizontal line. Let me draw a horizontal line for you to understand. It would be much easier. So can you see in ICICI there was a resistance standing at a previous date, right? So the historical resistance has a huge value, right? So our entry was based on the breakout of this resistance. So once the breakout was there, let me get back to the 5-minute time frame. Once the breakout was there, we were able to enter into the trade, right? We were able to enter into the trade, and we were able to capture this whole momentum, that 0.39% approximately, but we were able to capture this move in ICICI Bank, and mostly the power in the Bank Nifty index is credited to ICICI and HDFC Bank for the day, right? So this is how our day looked like at the Millionaire Trader Club, and it was actually a pretty great day. We were able to book good profits in ICICI and Mahindra Holidays. Plus, our option strategy is going very well. It has already given us 3.5% return on investment for the week, and that's, I believe, a very good return on investment. Now, a lot of people come into the market with an expectation of like 40%, 50% return on investment per week, and let me tell you, my friend, not going to happen. That is not going to happen. If someone promises you that they can give you 40-50% return on investment per week, or they can give you 95% accuracy rate, let me tell you, stay away from these people. Better you can invest your time, you can invest your energy, you can invest your money into the journey of learning about the stock market, because that is where the true potential of money lies. Okay, so money is there in the stock market, but you have to know how to extract it from the people who are not disciplined in the stock market. So what is the stock market? Let me again remind you, a stock market is nothing but a systematic transfer of money from an indisciplined trader to a disciplined trader. Now it's up to you. You can choose to be indisciplined and lose all the money, or choose to be disciplined and make more money from the power of stock market. So I hope this makes sense to you. If at all this makes sense to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, and definitely consider joining the Millionaire Trader Club, because it's a great place if you are a serious trader. It's a great place to be if you are a serious trader, and it is very cost effective. If you are considering to join the Millionaire Trader Club, let me tell you, it is going to cost nothing in front of the knowledge that you will be able to get. And I don't think so it will take like maybe just a month or so to recover the whole fees, and you are going to love the whole experience. So 3 months of free Discord community access is definitely there for you. So I hope to see you there on the Millionaire Trader Club. Definitely share this video with your fellow friends and family members. This is Utkarsh Bhargav. Thank you so much for listening to me. You are watching Roaring Bulls, the stock market show.